Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quest to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has hijacked, hacked or stolen your Gmail password. Now you don't have also recovery email and recovery phone number. How do you rescue of your Gmail ID quickly? Yes, and this can be recovered, but of course you will have to go for Google support alternative way. So how would I? We will see in this tutorial live. This idea has been recommended by one viewer. Unfortunately, he has also lost his device. So let's recover it now live. See here, if I click on a try again, then what will happen here, guys? See, let's tap on a slam the try agains. Now once again we will go for next, and if I tap on a next, what will happen here? See, it's asking password. We don't have a password, so just we will go for try another way. Now see here, it's asking the few moments. We don't have a phone number, so why we will wait here? Now it's essential that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure so that his account is yours. This account is really yours. We cannot claim so because we did not provide enough information. So if I try multiple times here again and again, so then another platform will be open. So there via alternative email, you will have to submit your legal document, either it is your identity card or any other proofs, on the basis of Google will endorse to you to justify that this is your account or not. But total estimated time can be expected here the more than 48 hours. In that condition, if you are in a hurry to recover it, then let's via another way. So simply just we will have to cut it from here, guys, and we will have to come in a Play Store, and after coming the Play Store, let's see, in a Play Store we will have to download one browser, that is especially here. Let's stay browser all in one. Of course it's working very fantastically, so let's recover the byte. So now it has started to install here, guys. Let's, on the other hand, we have some works here. We will come in a Z browser, hold it, and of course we will come in a help icons, and thereupon of course here we will have to come make it disables, come the permission. In permission, of course, we will have to come in a location. In location, we will have to make it the precise location disable. Click on a don't allow. Of course, we will go for don't allow anyway. We will back. One more time, we will have to back. And we have notifications. This we will have to make it disable, guys. Now we can cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in as we slam the Chrome. Chrome is also product of Google, so hold that, and thereupon of course we can come in notification we will have to make it disable. So let's see. Now of course what we will do here, simply just we will come the permission, navigate the location, guys. So let's see, click use the precise location disable, and thereupon click on a don't allow. So if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended, guys. So of course we will click here don't allow anyway. Now one more time we will have to back here, one more time. Now here as we see browser app, of course we will have to pick so this one. Now stay browser we will have to pick, and thereupon of course we will get it from here. Now we will come in here once again, this stay browser we will have to pick it. Now here you have to do nothing, guys, just we will have to write here Google co.in. So here it is, this one we will have to pick. Let's see, it's taking time, guys, here. So I will write once more time. Now see, guys, here just we will go for here in sign in. Now here we will have to write this particular Gmail that we want to recover. This Gmail we will write here. Sorry, just we will have to write here. What about the Gmail? Just we will write here. @gmail.com. Let's go for next. So it's essential that maybe a Gmail ID that we have actually mistake. Let's check it out. This is a CATT finds. Of course, once again we will come on this browser, and of course here we will have to write here CATT. Then of course we will go for it. So now see here, it's asking the password. We will go for next, and of course here is asking we will go for back. Now here we don't have, we will back. Now it's also asking so that answer as many questions as you can. Use the device when you are the sign in the before that. And third options, we have the motives to recover your accounts. If I go for try again, so then Google will easily tracks on that. Of course I'm trying to recover the particular Gmail ID that doesn't belong to me. That's why by different browser I'm trying to recover it. So at the moment, so of course we will cut it from here. Yes, we will have to cut it, and thereupon of course we will have to approach alternative options by tapping on a setting 2. Of course we have the one clue that is a Google service. So let's say scroll, and where it is here, this one's Google service, tap on it. Now we have a 3 dot. Of course we will pick on these ones. So according to a reason issues, we will have to explain. Of course we will have to explain. So this one we have elected. So now we have a 4th number C. You think someone else is using. So this one is very appropriate. So just we will pick on this one, and thereupon of course we will go for secure your accounts, and thereupon in secure your account, just we will go for review your account activities, then find out if your account has been hacked. Now as we see here guys, we will come now little bit scroll ups, and here see account recovery page. Of course let's open it. So now see here guys, once again we will have to type in this particular Gmail. Here. Now we will have to go for here. Let's see, simply just we will tap on a next guys. Now see guys, here directly we are here now. Here what we have to do, we have a click here, don't, especially don't now, and thereupon after rejection of it, of course we will have to go for don't click on a continue. Just simply we will have to go for change the password. If I click on a continue, then what will happen guys, it's verify you. In this situation you will traps, and there will be once again query. So skip it and simply go for change the password. Here create the strong password and confirm that password, and thereupon of course go for change it. After changing, of course you will have to go in a security to add the recovery number and the recovery emails, so that further such kind of incidents won't be repeated here. This idea has been defined the recovery guides to this viewer. So here I'll have a screen so that we cannot especially create the strong the password here. Of course by office screens we will create, and of course by we will deliver. So of course I will deliver to that my audience, so my viewer. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. Please would be nice to the reply or the query, guys. And if it is informative and acknowledgement land, please ponder, like, subscribe, and share this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot to the markets, such as further this kind of the tutorial, guys. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.